Hi, sir. Welcome back.
Hello, ma'am. Please provide the sharing rights.
All the participants, welcome back. And let us see for remaining participants also to join in the session. Then in a couple of minutes, we will start the third session. Yeah.
Make me a host.
Sir, share option. Yes, sir.
Vishnu is sitting here. Vishnu, good afternoon. Vishnu sir, good afternoon. Nice.
Vishnu sir is
As a note here.
not there because that day is inauguration function, so all of our faculty have joined, sir. The whole college
Okay.
faculty. So today only the participants of the FDP are there here.
Okay. Is the screen visible?
Yes, sir. It's coming.
Is it visible now?
Not yet, sir. I think it's coming. Yes, sir. It's coming now. It's visible.
Orange.
Image classification. Even tool also
Orange
visible.
also. How is the weather there, ma'am? Punjab has a lot of heat nowadays.
Yes, sir.
I have sent you, madam, two links. Send to the participant because we will be requiring this thing now.
Yes, sir.
हेलो हाँ जी नहीं मैंने 3 बजे मीटिंग प्रिंसिपल ऑफिस में बुलाया मैं नवनीत में चल रहा हूँ आप कल मिल लेना या परसों कल कर रहा 10 मिनट तेरा काम चाहिए कर रही थी सारे मैंने बुलाया बहुत उधर था मैंने मिल लेने फिर सर मैं एक दिन बुलाया हाँ हाँ चला गया कोई नहीं मिल लेने पर मैं एक मीटिंग कर रहा उस बात से
Sir, Amit sir, a small this one, Dr. Amit sir.
Yes, ma'am. Hello. Hello. Ma'am, pardon, ma'am, I'm listening.
Some of the participants are telling that the tool is not properly installing. Some errors are facing some problem in tool installation. Any suggestions, sir?
I will reply to them. Let them join.
Yes.
Let them join. I will reply. Actually,
Sure,
by the
sir.
way,
Sure.
one thing I will do here, I will send you the dump copy which I have of the already installed tool.
Okay,
You
okay.
can install it readily.
Okay,
Sometimes
sir.
when the versions or the compatibility issues arise, or the Windows might not be updated, so there come certain errors. So definitely
Okay,
they
sir.
will install it easily. After the end of the lecture, I will send you the dump copy. I have dumped
Definitely,
out
sir.
MATLAB.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, sir.
Shall I start, ma'am?
Yes, I think we can go ahead. It's already 1:45 and participants are, I think, will join soon. I already kept in the message. Yes, we can go ahead, sir. We can start.
Yeah,
Okay.
Amit sir,
Yes, Akash, boliye.
am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, yes, Manoj ji. Good
Yeah,
afternoon,
sir,
Manoj ji.
I was trying to install the Orange tool. In between the Orange installation, it was asking for Anaconda. So first I
Anaconda
tried
also
to
you can do it.
do with yes. Then Anaconda was installed, but Orange could not. It was saying that no Anaconda is available, so it cannot proceed.
Yeah.
Then in the second time, I put no to the Anaconda, but still Orange could not be installed.
I will send the helpline after the lecture. You have to just disable that button and avoid using Anaconda. Okay. There are two Anaconda is just a framework in which the Orange works. So there is an option available. I will send the screenshot of my installation and it will help you. It happens in sometimes from PC to PC. I will send the dump copy of my version to install
Okay,
that only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Try avoid using Anaconda, and if there is an Anaconda already installed in you, you have to see in your control panel and you have to remove that framework
Okay, sir.
sometimes.
Okay.
Chaliye, come back again. I will reply the question which I asked before the lunch after some time. Yes, ma'am, we know we need it to download at least. We need the Orange, but there are certain databases which are directly retrieved from the internet also. So Smita Patanati, we need internet also, but it can also work as a standalone. I will be showing you where we require internet. Now it's a task to do some advanced topics, so we will require internet also. So the problem which I discussed before the lunch, I told you then that that there is certain limitation of that problem, but I did not discuss that limitation with you. So let the other people join and we will deliberate it in the remaining 5 minutes that what thing is missing here. So this is another example of image classification for architectural distortion mammograms. Mammograms are the X-ray images of the breast cancer. So here some images have been taken from a database called Digital Database for Screening Mammography. And I'm sorry, this database is of 4 GB. This database, and this is a very big database, so I cannot provide you this database. And this is not an open source database. You have to get from some body from where I got this. But I have given some links to the Pavati ma'am in the lunch time. So some links which from the database is already available, that animal images and few other links which we people will be using in the coming slide I have already given. So what happened? Let me tell you briefly about this problem here. There's a problem called architecture distortion. This is some sort of abnormality found among women, in which occur in the breast of the woman, where some the abnormality is called architecture distortion, and it distorts the oriented texture of the breast. But as a computer, we are not radiologists, we are not doctors, we are just machine learning people who want to use machine learning for this healthcare diagnostic system. So what we have done here, I will not be showing the demo here, but rather I have created the screenshots here for you people. The workflow which I have created now. I have created one folder with mammogram with two folders, with two subfolders. One is benign and one is malignant. Benign is in the non-cancer one, and malignant is the cancer one. We have samples of the X-ray images of the breast one. The first, we have uploaded the 20 images, and just see here, these are the images. You can see here. Parvati ma'am, Manoj, can you acknowledge me? Are you able to see these images?
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes,
sir.
sir. It is visible.
Okay. With the naked eye, we are not able to distinguish between whether this is a cancer or not cancer. This is a screenshot. Otherwise, I have scrolled the malignant images also, and the malignant images are also same like the benign one. And we need some features to distinguish between these two. This was part of my PhD thesis. So what again? This is a complete workflow. We have imported the images. We have done image viewer. We have seen the images. We have the data table. Again, in the data table, we find some metadata which was not relevant. And again, we combined that images with the image embedding viewer. And now image embedding viewer is being connected. This is the workflow. Image embedding viewer is connected with a test and score validation. And this is a logistic regression. So my dear friends, this is a different one. In the previous problem, we connected the image embedding with the distance widget, and the distance widget was connected with the hierarchical clustering. Now here the images are connected with the image embedding, and the image embedding is connected with the analysis tool called test and score. Now test and score, what is test and score? Basically, it is a cross validation sort of tool in which the system will ask you that how many samples you want to test, how many samples you want to train, and you could just give some value here. I will show the output also. And this round shape is a logistic regression classifier. And we're not going to discuss the logistic regression classifier. Just see the output, how the output is retrieved. This is cross validation. We have done 10-fold cross validation, in which the trainings data was 66%. Although we have taken 20 samples only, but out of 20 samples, that means 66% is 13 samples we have taken for training and 7 samples for testing. Now see the result here. Sorry, we have not used logistic regression, we have used other boost classifier. We have got the area under curve 50%, F1 and precision and recall. These values are quite less one. Don't go on these values because the database was very small. The only thing which I want to show you in this workflow was how the image classification is done now using the test and score widget and using the ADA boost classifier. In the next problems to come, we will be discussing many types of problem, and I hope you people will be able to make one workflow with me. But as told by Parvati ma'am, many of my friends have not been able to download Orange, or they are facing some problems, so you can practice it later on. Let's come to another problem now here. This is a image processing problem. What happened in image processing, the main task is to apply your algorithm. You have to choose your database. You have to think of the algorithm, which is think of the classifier, think of the cross validation, think of the result analysis, that how your result can be good or bad one. Means the image enhancement or the image features or feature extraction, it will depend upon your algorithm. While the optimization part will be done by the Orange only. So Orange is not is a tool that is going to assist on in your research work. Orange will not do your research. Research you have to do yourself. You have to create your algorithm. You have to find out the features relevant. The Orange you have just tools to do all those things in a very effective and a simple manner. Okay. So let's discuss one another problem here, clustering of Monet and Manette. Parvati ma'am, I have given you one link just few minutes before, Biolabs.
Yes,
Have you
yes,
shared
sir.
with them?
Already shared, sir, in the chat. Already shared them.
Okay, can somebody acknowledge, has somebody opened that link? Biolabs file.biolab.si. Somebody has opened that link? Or somebody please try to open that link. I'm going to ask somebody.
Even I have reshared just now. I shared it
Okay, okay.
140 now, 156 people might have joined.
Okay.
The people also can see, those who joined late.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Manojji, can you open that link?
Anybody, please,
Manojji,
participants, acknowledge from your side.
you can open in your WhatsApp also, on your browser, on your phone also.
Yeah, we have opened, sir.
Madam, okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Pravina, ma'am, just see here, it is the around 8 to
Yes, sir.
9
It is having some files, zip files.
Zip files.
zip file. Now see this file, Monet zip. Is it visible? Fifth or sixth
Yes,
number.
yes, 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 sir.
Monet, and we are
Yes.
going to work on this. Now, for your experiment purpose, I am providing you a lot of images here now. But for the workflow which I am going to create, I am using this database. Okay.
Okay, sir.
There are domestic animals also. Now, just see here around 18th or 19th number, the domestic animals which we have done before the next
Yes, yes, sir.
is also available. Okay.
Yeah.
So we are going to discuss now Monet and Monet. Okay. चलिए क्या चीज है ये डिस्कस करते हैं लेट्स माय डियर फ्रेंड्स वेलकम बैक आफ्टर लंच दिस इज अनदर प्रॉब्लम ऑन मोनेट एंड मोनेट so it is again based on clustering now but there is small error in this ठीक है which I am going to discuss now clustering in the animals was done in a very good manner and I ask you one question also I hope anybody will interrupt me in between the session too if you have got that answer I welcome anybody to interrupt me if he has got the answer that what was the limitation? What was the limitation in the problem of the animals which we have done the clustering? There was small limitation. I will reply at the end of the session. Okay. But if you meantime, if you got some idea, please don't hesitate to interrupt me. I will be happy if you share with me. So let's come again clustering of Monet and Manet. Monet and Manet are the two paintings done by some painters. The paintings are quite similar to each other. See, the animals images which we have seen, they were quite different. We were able to distinguish between the cow and the sheep and the horse, the hen and the goose. Okay? So families were very able to distinguish between them. Now let's load 27 set of paintings now. चलिए वापस चलते हैं. I hope it's visible. Let's come back to orange again. Come to the image analytics tool. Come to the image. Import images. You have to click import. Is it visible? Pravina ma'am?
Yes, sir. It is visible, sir.
Okay.
It is visible.
Import image. You have to click image paintings. Okay, click here. Click the image viewer. Click here. Image viewer. Not opening. Okay, okay. Just see here. Pravina ma'am, can you see here?
Yes, sir. I can see.
Monet. You can see the two types of images, Monet and
Yes.
Monet.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is an oil painting done by the two painters, Monet. One painter name was Monet, another painter name was Manet. So we are going to do clustering here. So let's start. Just see the image only. Let's come back again. So this is the link which I have shared with Parvati ma'am, so as to assist you later on. Okay. This is a Monet and Manet pics, Monet pics, Manet pics. I have separated them, but in that complete folder, you can see all those 27 images. See here, again, we have the data table now. Let's click to the, we click to the data table now. Data table. Is it something worthy? Can anybody assist me? What is being shown here?
Image
Manoj ji?
name.
Yes. Yeah, image. Praveen ma'am, there is an image name here.
Yeah.
Bar
Size,
and
width,
Argenteli.
height.
Okay,
Yes.
just see this name. Argenteli Cafe Concert in the concert. Just let me click here. Some name of the image are given, and whether the image fall in minute category or monet category, and we have some size, width, and height. Are these relevant to do some clustering?
No, sir.
I hope
No,
you
sir.
might have seen, yeah.
No, sir.
Exactly in the previous video also we watched. So let's come back again. But as we have seen in the previous example, we need to work on features also. For features extraction, again, the tool is called image embedding. And now we have to choose the image. When you click on the image embedding, we are not going to apply the neural networks here. We are going to apply the Inception V3. And somebody of you might ask at 3 p.m. that, sir, you have shown us many experiments and many case studies, many examples, where sometimes you choose Inception, sometimes you choose neural network, sometimes you choose Ada-Boost classifier, sometimes you choose hierarchical clustering. So how to select? My answer will be practice and experience. And this is what is we call research. Okay. So sometimes you apply logistic regression, you get a very poor result. Sometimes you apply deep neural network, you get a very good result. Sometimes you apply other neural network, the result is very poor. So it all depends upon your experience, the type of the images you are using. So it is not a hit and trial sort of experiment. It based on your experience and the types of images you have chosen, based on the literature survey that the previous researcher have used this type of classifier, they have used this sort of cross validation. That will really going to help you to be expert in Orange. So okay, see that that Ada-Boost classifier was giving only 50% result, and 50% result is a very bad result when we go for machine learning classification. That means Ada-Boost classifier is not a good classifier for that images. So this will give you experience that they are grayscale images. No, these are colored images. We have to use some different technology. You have to use some different algorithm. Okay. So again, we connected to the image embedding. Let's come back. Connect it to the image embedding. When we connect to the image embedding, somebody was asking me that we need internet. Can you explain? Can please somebody acknowledge? In the start of my lecture, somebody asked, I suppose, Ms. Smitha, there was one participant named Smitha who asked, we need internet.
Yes, sir, this is Srinath. I asked her that one.
Achha, Srinath ji, we need internet. Because when we connect with the image embedding, you might have seen here, just see here, clicking
There is loading something, right?
Yeah, it is loading. It is retrieving the data from some network which is already trained on in image embedding. And one other thing also, we will be fetching the database from the URL also. Please, my dear friend, you might not have seen any tool which captures the data from the URL directly. Just give the URL or any web address. Orange will capture the data from live data. Aega. The live data will be captured and it will show the live data. It will work on the live data. I will showing you that interesting thing also today. We will discuss after just 2-3 minutes. Okay. Thank you, Srinath. You asked that question, and so this is we need internet also. So just click on image embedding. We need embedder is Inception V3. Go on to Google and find Inception V3 because it takes 30 minutes to explain Inception V3. Okay. I'm not going to explain these all those things of concepts of machine learning because they are not the part of my domain. My domain is only Orange today. So now just click back again, image embedding. We click on image embedding and we selected one second. Selected Inception V3. Okay. We go on to this now, connect it with distance widget. Distance widget, and we click on distance widget. You have to click the cosine matrix. Now, just a brief theory about cosine. See, we have used the images called Monet and Manet. These were paintings were very similar to each other. We want to find out the difference between those two paintings. We want to do cluster. We want to collect Monet on one side and Manet on one side, but they are very similar to each other. So we need a distance matrix through which we can easily distinguish between these two. For that purpose, there is a matrix in distance widget called cosine. Cosine, it only considers the presence of the relative features, not the absolute value. So it makes a difference between one feature with Manet and one feature with the Monet. Say, if X feature on the Monet and the X feature on the Monet has a huge difference, it will consider that as a relevant one, and it will ignore the other parts one. So you need a cosine component here. Now, I have highlighted here. This is a cosine component. Let's do again. This is the cosine one. The next we need to connect with. We need to compute the distance and we need to do clustering. For clustering, the main classifier is hierarchical clustering. Okay. And if you want to do hierarchical clustering, you have to click it with the hierarchical clustering widget. Just connect with distance widget with hierarchical clustering. Okay, now see here. Let me move this screen. Are you able to see here? Srinathji, can you see here? La, Kevin, D4. These are names of the images.
Yes, sir.
Can
Yes,
you please acknowledge me?
visible.
Now, okay. Do one thing. Now do image. Now, do this image category. Srinathji, can you see this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now watch it very carefully. Watching it very carefully, you find Monet. See this point.
Right.
Okay. Srinathji, see here. Please, everybody see here. Monet. C1. ठीक है? C1 का नाम देखते क्या है? Image name क्या है? C1 कौन सी images है? Camely, Monet on a bench.
Camely, Monet on bench.
Argentile in the conservatory. Let's go back to the images where. Okay, let's go back and just see the images name here. We go to image view. Okay, we go to the image name. Okay, I think the image name is not given here. Okay. It's not visible now. Image. It's taking some time. Okay, Srinathji, can you see here? This is Argentile.
Yes, sir. Second one.
This is in the conservatory.
Fourth one is conservatory.
And one was cafe concert. And one was Camely Monet on a bench. Okay. Just here, where is Camely Monet on a bench? Where is Camely? Yeah, they say this.
Yeah. Right.
Camely Monet in the conservatory. Camely Monet on a bench and Argentile. Srinathji.
Yes, sir.
Our algorithm has identified some wrong result have been got. We were going to do clustering as I told in my lecture, but what could be the possible reason? See, any algorithm is not a perfect algorithm. You might get some good wrong results also. So here we have got wrong result. Argentile in the conservatory. And
Camely Monet on
a bench. And Srinathji, thank you very much. Can somebody tell me by looking at these images why we got this cluster wrong? This cluster is a wrong cluster. Just see here. I'm writing the category again. Monet, Manet, and Manet. Our Monet has been wrongly classified. See here from the start. Manet, fine. Niche, Monet, all fine. And this is the wrong cluster. So if you are doing the wrong clustering, इसका मतलब ये है the person is ill and you are telling कि go and play cricket. You are fine. So that means your cluster is a wrong cluster. So it might happen. System is also a machine. We are feeding some data to the machine and data can be interpreted wrongly also. But my question is to all the participants that why this error occur? What could be the probable reason for this error? See the name of the images. A. Arjun Teli in the conservatory and Kamali Monet on a bench. Just see these images. Srinathji, can you see these images carefully?
Sir, in all
To
the
visualize-
figures, someone is sitting.
Yes, Arunji, thank you very much. तो भाई कंप्यूटर को तो पता नहीं है, कंप्यूटर डजंट अंडरस्टैंड सेटिंग, उसको तो लगा कि जब बंदा बैठता है तो देयर माइट बी सम सिमिलैरिटी। ठीक है, एग्जैक्टली इन्होंने आंसर बड़ा अच्छा, आपने सिक्सर हिट किया जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच। तो it made one mistake here, यही मैं दोबारा कंक्लूड कर रहा हूँ, there is one mistake here that resembled there are some images with Monet and Manet pattern matching हो गया। Clustering did a mistake here, and Arunji has rightly said the answer here. The reason was that when the distance computation was done on the basis of the distance vector and cosine matrix, and it found some similarity that when the persons are setting the matrix, the backend calculation done by that tool was not able to sufficient to differentiate between these two items, between these three items. Okay, this is a Monet, and Monet, that same name images. The Kamli Monet on a bench, Arjun Teli, and in the conservatory. This is the reason which Mr. Arun has said that the similarity could, the possible reason could be that the three persons were sitting on a bench and our distance vector and the cosine, the factor which we have added in the image was not able to give the right cluster. Now, if you're doing a thesis work and if you are finding some sort of similarity and the result is wrong, what you will do? You will try to remove that cluster or show your result good one. It is very bad ethics. So do one thing, include those results in your thesis work or in your research paper and tell the reviewer or the examiner very frankly that this is the possible reason that this cluster was not correctly classified. They will be very happy if you do, if you have a, पंजाबी में कहते हैं कि सच्चाई जरूरी है, truth prevails. Okay? So whenever I was doing my PhD, sometimes I used to get wrong results also. So I was a young researcher that time, and one day I went to my guide and told, sir, these are the results which I have got on these images, and there are few images which one of the result is very bad. So I have excluded those images from my research. So guide asked me, Amit, show me those images. And I told those images that images were very blurred one and resolution was not good one. And he told me, Amit, add these images in your result. And I told, sir, the examiner will get annoyed and he will tell the accuracy will be decreased because when you add some negative results and it will not create a very good impact. Then he told me you have to find the reason why the results were not good on these images. Okay. And you have to tell the reason why the result was good on these images and why the result was bad on these images also. And my dear friends, my thesis was gone to, please somebody speaking. Nitya Lakshmi.
Yes, sir, we are muting them. Yeah.
I'm telling you frankly, the name of my reviewer to whom my thesis report was sent. His name was Dr. Nishikawa, Robert Nishikawa. He has around impact factor of, I suppose, 800, and he has 100 to 200 SCI indexing papers. And that person whom my PhD report was sent wrote in the comments that I have read the thesis of Mr. Amit Kamra, and I found this thing very good that he have explained that why he has got some bad results also. So, my dear friend, research always gives you some good result and always give you some bad results also. If you are guiding any PhD thesis, so don't worry if you add some bad results also. Let the other people know that these results are bad and justify your answer. The examiner will be very happy one. Every time we will not able to get 90%, 95, 98% result. If the results are somewhat bad result, try to do the analysis of those results also. So if the clustering is being done wrongly, so I have added, Arunji might have added that particular reason which are not mentioned in my slides, that the probable reason was that the person was sitting on a bench. That's the reason was that the cluster was wrong. Okay, so let's come to another example. One of the very popular name which we never want to hear in our life. Thank you, Omaji, for acknowledging. So please don't hesitate to add bad results also. If you are guiding any PhD scholar, don't tell them that exclude the bad result. It sometimes create a good impact. And my experience was a very good one. Just Google and find out Robert Nishikawa. You will find he's a very renowned professor in, I think, in US or in Germany. I forgot the country domain. So अरुण जी, कुछ एक ऐसा नाम जो हम कभी सुनना नहीं चाहते अपनी लाइफ में, वो है कोविड-19। ठीक है, I lost my very loved one to COVID-19 way month back, last month. Parvati ma'am knows him. So this word is really a nightmare for me, and it has changed my whole life. And I hope out of the 100 participants sitting here, you or you might family member might have been affected by this disease, and I hope all of us well recover from this time. And nowadays, the vaccine has also come here, and we are now worried about the third wave, which our scientists are predicting. And this is the reason that we are having this FDP also in an online mode today. So, but the thing is that we cannot कुछ कर नहीं सकते in front of the nature or in front of this natural calamities which occur by anyhow by some means. So let's have some scientific idea about this COVID-19 also. This is a very good example. It will take around 20 to 25 minutes to explain all this complete example. I hope most of the participants have joined now. Around 100 participants have joined, so 90% of the participants are here. So please be attentive for the next 20 to 25 minutes. This is a big problem which we are going to do analysis. After that, I will be doing sentiment analysis and then some assignments for you people. I will be also sending the dump copy of the orange to Parvati ma'am and all the links later down today, so you can practice it later also. See, COVID-19 is undoubtedly the news of the year. Earlier we were thinking that it might be finished into 2020 and it got worsened in 2021. And still we are very living in a fearful mode that someday that third wave also came. But anyhow, let's hope that we also passes that thing also. Coming to the scientific and the machine learning criteria of the COVID-19, our machine learning engineers have been working very tirelessly for the last 1 year, and we will do the analysis of COVID-19 today. Srinath ji asked me one thing, that there is internet is required. So I told him that internet is required if you want to browse the file from the URL also. Orange is a very good tool in which you can store the files on the data on your desktop also, on your Google spreadsheet also, on your website also. It will directly fetch the data if it is compatible form. Okay, if it is saved in XLS or in tab or in CSV form on any server, then also it can fetch that data. So this is a very unique thing of the Orange. Shrikant ji, you asked me in the morning. Shrikant ji is here. Shrikant ji.
Srinath sir, I am here.
No, Srinath ji, in the morning there was one participant, that Shrikant, I suppose there was a name called Shrikant. He also asked some doubt, I forgot the name. He asked me the difference between Weka and Orange. I hope he is not here. He might be joining us. Shrikant, his name was Shrikant. So he asked one question, what's the difference between Orange and Weka? So I also told that Orange is a very bigger tool and Weka is a subset of Orange, you can say. But the new thing which Orange has discovered is this capturing the data from a URL or a Google spreadsheet. So we will be working on now live data. In fact, the live data as on yesterday, not of today. I hope it will be available today also if they have updated the database. So how, आज कौन सी तारीख है? Today is 23rd June. Bharati ma'am, 23rd June है ना आज? So we will be
Yes, sir.
working on.
Yes, sir, 23rd
Okay.
June.
Okay, we will be, I will try if 23rd June database is available with me, and I'm sure 22nd is available. कल तक का data है हमारे पास. We can explore any data because that data is continuously being updated. So just see here, we are going to do something very critical analysis. A lot of things will be covered now. Okay. Now let's start by getting the data. This data set is provided by John Hopkins University. I will send the, don't practice with me because this is a bit a bigger one tool. If you are not able to practice because a lot of things will be involved here, just watch it carefully. You can practice it later on. This is the data. This is the link. Arunji, you were telling in the morning, I have provided some GitHub links also. In the last of the lecture also, I will provide some GitHub links. So github.com, this is the data available here. What we have to do here, when you open this website, you will get another link here, raw github.com CS COVID data analysis. This is a CSV file which is available on this database. This is a very big file. Let's see here. Open the mouse. I'm going to delete this thing. Click on file. Can you able to see here file? Click on URL. I already pasted here, or you can paste directly here. Shall I send this database link to you people? Copy. I hope it is not able to. You can say copy. 1 minute. With that data, we'll copy it. Copy and we'll send to the chat box. So you can also see the data here. Control V. Okay, just click on this link and you will get the data. Okay, Srikanti, you can see here we have opened with, we are fetching the data to a URL now. Okay, we are not working on a standalone Orange. Now Orange is fetching the data from this server. Just click on the data table. Click file, the data table. Click on data table. See here, Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria, Andorra, country's name. Just keep on scrolling it. China, it has the state-wise results also, some countries. Keep on scrolling it. Are you able to see here something? Now scroll this side. These are the numbers of the COVID data 19. Let's see, आज कितनी तारीख है? So do we have data still? Yesterday. Bharati ma'am, can you see here the date, last date, 22nd June? Somebody please acknowledge me.
Last date is
22nd June.
22nd June.
22nd June. Okay, we have the data available till 22nd June. And you can see here, let's find out where is our country. Let's find out where is India. India, China, France. This is India. देखिए, when the first wave came, आई थी अपनी कंट्री में, ये डेटा है. The source of data is not known to me, but whoever fetches this data, you can see here, during the last year, in year 2020, the cases were very less. Do you remember the first case came in Kerala, in our country?
Yes, sir. I am from Kerala.
Around-
It came on January.
अरुण जी,
Yeah.
एक आध केस आया होगा उस टाइम, 1 or 2
Yes.
केस आए होंगे. तो
3
अरुण
cases.
जी, ये
First
देख
3
सकते हैं.
cases were reported.
तो अरुण जी, you can see here, ये है January, 1st January, I think 30th 31st January को आए थे वो cases.
Yes.
So you can see here, just keep on scrolling it. ये हमारी दूसरी वेव आ जाएगी. अब ये नंबर्स कितना बढ़ गया है. 2,70,000, 2,70,000, 2,76,000, 2,83,000, 2,90,000. Just keep on scrolling it. Keep on scrolling. And till date, these are a number of active cases. According to this database, this John Hopkins, in our country, we have still 30 lakhs cases. I can read the number 30028,709. This is the actual number we have, the active number of cases till today. So let's come back again. So what we're going to do today, we're going to do the analysis of this data, that which countries are affected most, which country has the highest, has a very good facilities of doctor. Can you tell with your knowledge and experience, which country has the highest this healthcare facility till corresponding to the COVID-19? Anybody?
Scandinavian countries.
I
This
think
is Burma and China, sir. it's Burma and China. China have fully recovered. First is Burma. Spain has good, Italy has good, but they were affected with COVID-19 to a very large, huge extent. Okay? We will see from this data, according to this database. Okay. So just see this. We have seen the database now. This is the database which we have seen, and we have a very good number. In fact, have you ever heard any cases in Burma? Anybody? कभी सुना है कि बर्मा में कोई केस आए? We have heard in England, we have heard in US, we have heard in China, we have heard in Spain, Brazil, New Zealand, Australia, but we have never, in fact, according to my knowledge, I have never heard that there are any cases reported in Burma or in Mauritius. Okay, they are the least affected cases. Either they have a very good healthcare system or they have done some good practice to avoid this contamination. So, करते क्या? चलिए आगे चलते हैं. We are going to do another plot here. Let's click here. Let's click file to this plot. Now is a line plot. My dear friends, in the morning I told you that the line plot was not relevant to that heart disease data set. Now clicking on this line plot. Just see here, line plot. ठीक है, ये है जो countries का data है. Now you can expand this line plot. ठीक है, this is the some date factor, and this is again that line plot is sharing between. Let me see my screenshot. I will show the screenshot. I am not able to see the x-axis. Okay. What we are going to do now, we are going, yeah, this is the line plot which I have got here. This is the line plot which we have got, but this is the number of the cases and this corresponding to the dates. Actually, the screen was not minimized. So this is the left hand side. This part is the number of the cases. 5e plus 06, 4e plus 06. This is, it was made in exponential form. So this was the number of cases, and this is the horizontal is the date corresponding to the date. So we have made a plot of all those things. So line plot is a perfect visualization for this sequential data of the COVID-19, where the curve on the x-axis represent the countries, and the x-axis it was date, and the y-axis it was the countries. But from this data we cannot, we have seen that lines are very thin, they are very overlapping with each other. So we expand it clicking on that database. Okay. Now click here. What we have done, we have made an expansion here, and now again I'm clicking here. There is something wrong being done here. Let's, चलिए आप इसी स्क्रीनशॉट से देख लीजिए. अभी मेरे ख्याल से वो सर्वर फैच नहीं कर रहा डेटा को. कभी sometimes the server do not respond also. So this is a limitation when we are working on a live database. Okay. So कभी कभी आपको रिजल्ट रुक के मिलेगा. अब देखना है यहाँ पर. चलिए वापस आ जाते हैं. What we have done, we have done the expansion of some database, and we found some countries like South Africa, United Kingdom, Spain, Pakistan, Bangladesh. We have done a subset selection of some countries. ठीक है, कुछ नहीं करना, लाइन प्लॉट को आपने ड्रैग कर देना, एक्सपैंड करके you will get a small database now. Now we all know which countries were most affected with this database in 2020 and 2021. Before we are getting into little bit deep digger, थोड़ा अंदर जा रहे हैं हम, प्रॉब्लम थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लेक्स होती जा रही है. Orange has its own some database which is called Human Development Index. So Human Development Index is a database that consists of countries' statistics. Okay, so let us load this, add this data to the Canvas data. How we can load this data? You have to just click on orange. You have to click here, HDI. Just 1 second. Load data set. Sorry, this data set. This data set is also Srinathji based on internet. Okay, you have to click on this data set. This data set is another data set which is being retrieved from some server. You have to click here click on this data at HDI. Okay, HDI is Human Development Index. So what we have done, we have added the Human Development Index widget on our canvas, and we are going to now merge the two database. Which one? One was a database which we got from that URL, and another database which we got from the HDI, Human Development Index. So for merging purpose, क्या करना है? We have to click on the file, we have to merge the database, and we have to click, one is this data table, one, and this is another data set. We have to merge these two data sets. This merging में दिखा रहा हूँ यहाँ पर है. Let's come back again. This is a merge domain. Okay. अगर मैं आपको दिखा दूँ तो यहाँ पर you can see here. Suppose it's connected here. You can click here. We can insert the widgets here. One second here. I'm sorry here. This connection is wrong here. There is another widget called merge dataset. So to find your merge, merge. Okay, merge dataset. We connect this dataset with this dataset. Okay, the connection is the wrong one. Let me show you my screenshot once again. This is a bigger problem. So this is the way to connect here. File with the merge dataset, and merge dataset will connect with the dataset we extracted from the data and from our data table. Okay. This dataset has the data which was corresponding to the Human Development Index, and this data table has the dataset that corresponding to the URL. For your purpose, you can make it again also. Let's delete this once again. Let's click on file. We click on URL, is the data table. We click on the data table. Okay. We click on the data set. Where is data set now? Data set. Sorry. We click on the data set. Data set we have already selected HDI. Okay. We click on merge data. It's very wrong. Sorry. There is something wrong being done here. I hope. Okay. One, I have to select the file to the data table here. Then the file and the data table will be connected to the merge data, and this merge data table will be connected to that extracted small data table. And this is the HDI is the data set. Okay, so this is a bit complex one. So this is that now the combined data table. We have merged those two data sets now. So what happened here is that
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in that merge data widget, I am getting the cross. I have connected a file to merge data and data set to also merge data. But in
आकाश जी ये करके देखिएगा. आकाश जी, try this one. 1 minute. You try this one.
Sir, yes, sir, I have tried this one only. But I am getting the
Okay.
cross above the merge data.
Well, the possible reason is that this data set जो है widget, this is also fetching the data from the internet, and it has the data table called HDI, and it is not able to retrieve the data at this time of moment. We are working on a live data now. Okay. So this might be the problem. I'm also not getting same thing. You can see here. Otherwise, I have done yesterday. It was giving a very good output here. You can see here. I'm also not getting the right connection here. So something wrongly being done because we are working on a live database, and HDI is this HDI is a Human Development Index. This database is not situated on the Orange. It is situated on some server. Okay, so it is not able to retrieve something. So you just try after some time. It might happen. Sometimes this error comes. This error generally comes when we are working on a live data set. Just try this because this is a very I've tried yesterday also. And I'm not thinking why this problem is coming now again to me. Same problem is faced by you. So that means that the data set has not been being retrieved properly.
Okay.
So this is the okay. Now what happened is here that one data set we have got from HDI. Again, see, Akash ji, problem here is we are working on two live data sets. One data set was retrieved from that URL, John Hopkins University. One data set is retrieved from this HDI. So two data sets different है. Okay. Both the data sets are different one. we need to combine them. When we combine them, we have to make them both compatible with each other. So to do some compatibility with each other, we have to edit them. ठीक है? Edit करना है हमने. तो करना क्या पड़ेगा? This is the file widget. This is the data table from the John Hopkins University. ये line plot आपने देखा, मैंने बना के दिखाया था आपको, data table से fetch कर लिया था. We have a small database of Pakistan and small countries. Again, we have the file with the merged data. We have the data table too, and we have the edit. यहाँ पर एक नई domain insert करनी, that is called edit domain. You have to insert a widget here. ठीक है? You have to click on between the data set and merge data.
Okay.
आपको insert करनी पड़ेगी. When you click on the mouse, it will ask insert widget. ठीक है? In insert widget, you have to type edit domain. Edit domain से क्या होगा? आप कुछ editing भी कर सकते हैं. So what we'll see, we'll do here. So when you ask on the edit domain, you will find out this this pop-up will come here. Okay. See here, Ukraine, United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, United States, Uruguay. It has named some countries' name because the John Hopkins University has the country name in some different fashion, while HDA has the country name in some different fashion. Somebody might be writing America as US, some people write as USA, some people write as England, some people write as United Kingdom, some people write as UK. So you have to find out the certain matching between both two tables, and those values which are not matched one, you have to change those values. Edit. See here, you can just type here. See here, in one table it is written United States. You can see here. In the HDA dataset, it is called United States, while the other dataset is called US. Is my clear?
Yes, sir.
Somebody please acknowledge me.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
we are doing the compatibility between the, you can practice it later on, because since we are working on a live database now, so it might happen that sometimes the data is not retrieved properly, or it might get hanged in between. So that's why the connections are not made properly. But just watch these screenshots carefully and work on a very good internet, and I hope they will work very fine. And one thing also, it might be the reason that these data sets are in the foreign countries and not in our country. So sometimes their server is being updated. So sometimes they do some maintenance activity. So it might happen that that the results may cause some problem to us, or they will not work efficiently. Okay. So what you have to do here, you have to see here United States and US. You have to do matching between those things. India इधर होना चाहिए. India is not Bharat in other domain. So United States in this HDI, United States in the John Hopkins University. It should not be US. So he merge नहीं हो पाएगा. It will not be able to merge those things. So we have to press apply here. This is the apply button here at the end. You have to, when you press apply, we will match the two databases now. Clear? Now we are able to bring a very bigger data now. Okay? And in Human Development Index database, this database has the information about number of doctors, the healthcare facilities in their country. Human Development Index is a database which is developed in Orange, and it's also available online, where the facilities related to the human development are being updated every time. Okay. So करना क्या है? We are going to do analysis now. कि भाई which country was suffered from COVID-19 most, which country has the better healthcare facilities. Okay. तो पहला काम क्या करना है? First we will remove the countries with unknown population. Unknown population का मतलब ये है कि हम मान के चलेंगे कि there are all countries who have population greater than zeros. There are around 278 countries written in that, 188 countries written in that table. तो अगला काम क्या करना है? We have to connect. Let us construct a pipeline that will tell us how many COVID patients are there relative to the entire population. First, we will remove the countries with unknown population. What we are going to do now, we will select rows to merge data. ये हमारी widget था, merge data. This is a merge data, and we have to. This is a very bigger project, so I have already made the screenshots now, because it will take at least 1 hour when I doing practice with you. So to save the time, I've already made the screenshots. You have to connect the merge. We have to connect this merge data to select rows. When we select rows, it will ask Human Development Index is greater than 0. Greater than greater than 0 means there is no country who has population 0. So in a way, we assume that all countries has some population, either एक बंदा भी उसका हो, तो भी we will include it in our database. Okay, so ये एक समझ लीजिए, we have added one condition that the human development index should be greater than 0. Okay, and the other thing is this will come in handy in next step where will you use feature constructor widget to compute the case to population ratio. आगे क्या करना है, we will add that select this widget, select rows. Please watch it very carefully. थोड़ा बड़ा हो रहा है, थोड़ा complex होता जा रहा है, because we have done basics already and we are now doing some PhD related problem कर रहे हैं हम, ठीक है. तो select rows को आगे क्या करना है, we have to connect it with feature constructor app. Feature constructor is another widget which is used to going to construct features of a very huge database. It is not like embed embedding. तो feature construction में क्या करना है, we have to find the cases per million. Cases per million के लिए ये देख रहे हैं आकाश जी, you can see here 5, 17, 21.
Yes, sir.
5, 17, 21. ये
Yes.
है तारीख है. I got a call from Parvati ma'am around 10 days before. So this is the date of 17 May. So I practiced this slides on 17th May. मुझे 17th May की मैंने dates ली हुई है, तो आप आज की डेट का भी डेटा ले सकते हैं. You have to type the date here. ठीक है, total population in millions. Yeah, you have to select the feature. जब आप उसको क्लिक करेंगे तो it will find the total population millions. Okay, cases per millions ये आ जाएगा यहाँ पर. तो करना क्या है, you have to select the random database. Random database आपने 17 May 2021 select कर लिया, आप आज की डेट भी select कर सकते हैं. तो then we have to divide it by total population. This is the total population cases per million. यहाँ पर हम divide by total population करें, या this is a bar here. ये डेट लिखनी है, डेट oblique total population per million. ठीक है, यानी कि कहना ये चाहते हैं कि 17th मई को टोटल पॉपुलेशन जो थी, कितने केसेस आए पर मिलियन उस डेट को. केसेस कहाँ से हमें पता चलेंगे, हाउ विल फाइंड द केसेस, वी विल फाइंड द केसेस फ्रॉम द जॉन हॉपकिंस डेटा ऑन 17th मई. पब्लिक टोटल पॉपुलेशन कहाँ से मिलेगी, हमें मिलेगी HDI से. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट, व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू नाउ?
Yes, sir.
आई हैव
Yes,
गॉट
sir.
द ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स से मुझे इंडिया की टोटल पॉपुलेशन मिल जाएगी. जॉन हॉपकिंस यूनिवर्सिटी, from that database I will get the total number of cases per million on that date. तो यहाँ पर क्या करना है, we are going to find the number of features. Features क्या है, just the number of cases. Are you getting my point everybody? थोड़ा complex कर रहे हैं हम सिस्टम को, लेकिन धीरे धीरे हम आगे जा रहे हैं. तो आगे क्या करना है, then we divide it by total population. Total population तो जॉन हॉपकिंस में नहीं थी. Total population कहाँ पर थी, HDI वाले टेबल में. तो हम मान के चल रहे हैं कि टोटल पॉपुलेशन 0 तो हो ही नहीं सकती, बिकॉज वी हैव ऑलरेडी सिलेक्टेड द ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट ग्रेटर देन 0. तो यहाँ पर वो कंडीशन आपका एरर नहीं आएगा. तो टोटल पॉपुलेशन अगर 0 से ज्यादा मान अगर लेसर कर देंगे तो कंप्यूटर एरर दे जाएगा, यू विल नॉट कंप्यूट. ठीक है, आगे क्या करना है, वी हैव टू कनेक्ट द स्कैटर प्लॉट विद द फीचर कंस्ट्रक्टर विद. दिस इज द फीचर कंस्ट्रक्टर प्लॉट, वी कनेक्ट विद द स्कैटर प्लॉट. नाउ स्कैटर प्लॉट फिर से आया. तो स्कैटर प्लॉट जब बनता है तो ये देखिए ये प्लॉट बन गया है. Output. See here, China. ये ऊपर Burma. You can see here Burma is not visible properly. It's second. Now you can see here Burma. Akash, can somebody acknowledge me?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to
Yes,
see
sir.
Burma, China?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Burma, China, Bosnia and Herzegovina. अपना कंट्री कहाँ पर है, ये अपना कंट्री. कोलंबिया, इंडिया. This is India. See here, this is overlapping. ठीक है, ओवरलैपिंग बहुत ज्यादा हो रही है. दैट मीन्स काफी सारी कंट्रीज हैं एक्सेप्ट चाइना, बर्मा एंड बोस्निया एंड हेर्जेगोविना है वो, ये नाम है कुछ कंट्री का. These 3 countries have now till today very less cases, while the other countries have these number of cases, and the worst affected are till today are Colombia and India. See, the Brazil was also affected once and very badly around in 2020. I hope you people might remember Brazil, Italy, US बहुत affected रहे थे किसी टाइम पे. So you can see here, this is the human data interface here. It is telling the country region India. This is the India part. I have clicked on India and it will provide me the details. How many physicians, अपनी कंट्री का बहुत खराब हाल है. हमारी कंट्री में 10,000 लोगों के पीछे 1.7 डॉक्टर है. बर्मा में 10,000 के ऊपर 67 डॉक्टर्स हैं। चाइना में 67 के ऊपर से 10,000 के ऊपर 56 डॉक्टर्स हैं। So that's depict the scenario of your country in terms of this COVID-19 data. The output of this last slide shows that how COVID was spread to the whole country, apart from the Burma and China on 17th May. Please make sure this data is of 17th May 2021, around 1 month back. These two countries have the lowest number of cases as compared to the other countries, and you might remember अपनी कंट्री का बहुत बुरा हाल था मई में, एंड होपफुली वी हैव रिकवर्ड नाउ टू ए क्वाइट अ गुड एक्सटेंट thanks to our facilities what the government and our doctors fraternity have done to us. So hopefully your second wave of suppress ho gayi hai. And if Akash ji, please try to do the analysis on 23rd June data, you will find out that India has a very now good result. Okay,
Yes.
it means
Yes.
the healthcare system is now from this analysis you can conclude how the healthcare is able to handle the crisis. Unluckily, India along with Colombia and Greece was at bottom at that time, which was showing that the doctors are very less in our country and the healthcare system was not up to mark. So this is a COVID-19 data analysis. So what if further you can do here, we can find out the, देखिए जो scientist लोग होते हैं, how they prediction कैसे करते हैं? आजकल बहुत आ रही है, you might be कि third wave आएगी अक्टूबर सितंबर में. So how do they do all this analysis? They use these tools only. The machine learning tools are used by the scientists and the engineers all over this world. And this is the data they people get. देखिए वैक्सीन हो रही है, वैक्सीन होती है तो आपको मैसेज आता है your Aadhaar card is being linked. So government is finding, creating all the databases, how many people are affected, how many above 18, how many above 45, how many above 70, how many lesser than 18. क्यों कहा जा रहा है कि the 18 years people will be more affected because they are not vaccinated, and this data is completely now अपडेटेड. अब इसमें वैक्सीन का डेटा भी आ जाएगा तो प्रोबेबिलिटी एक अच्छी बन जाती है. तो गवर्नमेंट गेट्स a good idea in this way. They can say they can have some corrective action also. So you can thankful to the Orange community जिन्होंने they have created a very good tool to provide us a further analysis. In a way we are going to predict our future. हम अपना फ्यूचर प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हैं. और आप भी यहाँ पर हो, मैं भी यहाँ पर हूँ. लेट्स होप कि वो थर्ड वेव जब सितंबर और अक्टूबर में आती है तो हमारी हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटीज इतनी अच्छी हो जाए, इतनी बेटर हो जाए कि कम से कम कैजुअलिटी हो, कम से कम नुकसान हो हमारी कंट्री का. ओके, so this is another description of this Orange. Okay, I hope I was not able to do this practically because it might have taken at least 20 minutes extra. I want to add something new here, so let's hope you might have got idea about this COVID-19 analysis. Okay, let's have a small idea of another tool called Geo and Time Series Toolbox. We want to visualize this data in terms of, you might have seen certain messages on WhatsApp also. कि आपको WhatsApp पे मैसेज आता है कि scroll करें, just on the earth you will find out the number of cases. Arun ji, have you seen some messages which were very viral during the COVID-19, this first wave, that you can find out the number of cases in the country?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that messages जो आते हैं कि that you have a picture of the earth rotating and you click on the mouse, and when you click on the mouse you find out the number of cases in that particular country. Those things are also done in Orange. Let's watch them, how they being done. Let's see here. We go on to file. There is another tool here. I'm just going to show you practically those things. There is another toolbox called GeoMaps. Let's go on to file. Sorry, once again. Sorry. File. We have a file widget. We are again reading the URL. Okay. We connect it to the data table. Okay. Now connect file with the GeoMap. I hope the widget name is GeoMap. 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 Connect to file with GeoMap. See here. This is the database of 6/13/21. ठीक है, चेंज होता जाएगा. लैटिट्यूड, लॉन्गिट्यूड, ठीक है, यू कैन चेंज. थोड़ा टाइम लगता है ये भी इसको चेंज होने. ओके, एक्सपैंड कर सकते हैं आप, ठीक है। सेम कलर, you have to scroll down and visualize it. इसमें कलर पैलेट्स आ रहे हैं, तो दिस इज जस्ट a description of all those things. You can visualize this geo maps also. It will give you somebody is working in geo geo का कोई application होती है. I'm not having a good idea about this geo maps toolbox, but I just thought to share to give some idea. If somebody is working on remote sensing etc., this is his cup of tea. His or her cup of tea. Somebody working in remote sensing. So this way you can find out the number of samples in different countries. Okay. So let's come to the fantastic part now. Text mining. This is the last case study which I'm going to discuss now. आपको याद है कि there was one, आजकल बड़ा गवर्नमेंट का चल रहा है ट्विटर के ऊपर. ट्विटर का हुआ एक there was an election which was being done in US last time, and social media has a good role to play in the sentiment of the peoples. Can anybody tell me what I'm going to discuss? Sentiment analysis क्या है? Text mining कर रहे हैं हम. Anybody? Dr. Sridevi, are you there? Almost all the participants have joined. Dr. Sita Devi. Dr. Sita, do you know something about sentiment analysis or text mining?
I have heard sentiment analysis, sir, but I don't know much about it. I heard that.
Ma'am, consider करिए, you have some election in your state, ठीक है? And some people start saying that please vote to this party. Okay, you don't have, you are not in favor of that party policies. But when you saw that there are 100 people of who are your non and are saying that please vote to this party has done this thing, this thing, this thing. In a way, your sentiments towards that person will definitely change. This is called sentiment analysis, and this
True, sir.
is by your,
Thank you.
this is your nature. This is your nature. You have changed the sentiment. But if somehow, if the computer or the machine learning change your sentiments, then that is wrong. Okay.
Yes.
That is the वो गलत बात है कि आपको मशीन ने आपको गलत ढंग से, या रेहान खान जी using the tweets or social media on the same topics, the people start influencing each other. Okay. So it is called a sentiment analysis. So this text mining is a part of the sentiment analysis. I was not having another 1 hour. Otherwise, I have discussed the sentiment analysis in a lot of detail also today here. But never mind. उसको थोड़ा टाइम ज़्यादा लगता है. उस पर ट्विटर के में आपको अकाउंट बनाना पड़ता है. ट्विटर में अकाउंट बनाने के लिए यू हैव टू टेक द ट्विटर ऐप ऑल्सो, और डेवलपर ऐप आपको लेनी पड़ती है. तो यू हैव टू गिव सर्टेन एप्लीकेशन भी लिखनी पड़ती है आप क्यों वो ऐप बनाना चाहते हो. तो ट्विटर गिव्स यू 2 to 3 days to time. बिकॉज इंडिया में ना ट्विटर के बड़े रूल स्ट्रिक्ट हो गए हैं. दे डोंट डायरेक्टली गिव द ट्विटर ऐप्स राइट्स. तो दैट्स व्हाई यू हैव टू स्किप दोस सेंटिमेंट एनालिसिस टॉपिक. So I shifted to another topic called text mining. It is also another important area of research here. So we have worked on now files and images. Just 10 to 15 minutes more now. Bharati ma'am, I'm comfortable. Can I take more 15 minutes? Bharati ma'am, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm here. Comfortably,
That's
you can
wonderful.
take another 15 minutes. You can stretch up to 3:15 or 3:30, your wish. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
I
Thank
hope
you.
you're not feeling bored. Actually, I
Yes,
have a
sir.
meeting and I've sent my junior to that meeting, and luckily I have not got called from my authorities, so I can skip.
Yeah.
I can have it 10 to 15 minutes more. So my
Yes,
dear
sir.
friends, please, this is another problem for you. This is just last 10 to 15 minutes, but very interesting topic coming up now. This is another case study now. We have worked on Excel files and images now. Okay. How about text now? I talked with Dr. Sita, and text is something which can change your mind. There is a proverb in Hindi. My dear friends, थोड़ा हिंदी समझने की कोशिश करिएगा कि शब्द में क्या अर्थ है. Can you understand? शब्दों में क्या अर्थ है? Anybody please acknowledge? What is the meaning of word? What is the significance of words?
Yes, sir.
Anybody
We
please
follow.
acknowledge?
Yes, sir. We are following you. What you are saying.
ओके. नहीं, रेहान खान जी, मैं थोड़ा सा माइथोलॉजिकल में चला जाता हूँ. वी ऑल, हम सब लोग भगवान को मानते हैं, वी ऑल बिलीव इन गॉड। कोई उसे राम कहता है, कोई उसे अल्लाह कहता है, कोई उसे जीसस कहता है, कोई उसे वाहिगुरु कहता है। ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड बिट ऑफ हिंदी? ओके।
Yes, yes, sir. No problem.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No problem, sir.
ओके, तो एक बात करते हैं। इज इट, तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ, व्हेन वी फील अनहैप्पी वी स्पीक, हम अपने भगवान का नाम लेते हैं। पीपल से कि मेडिटेशन करो, स्पीक राम राम राम, स्पीक वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु, वी रिसाइट सम, जो भी जिस भी रिलीजन को आप मानते हैं। So that means the text has a very good significance. Suppose somebody is saying you some bad words, we get excited. So that words matter a lot. Somebody is praising you. Abhi, Parvati ma'am praised during the lunch. We have a chit chat for 1 minute. So Parvati ma'am praised me a lot. ठीक है? It boosted my confidence. अगर Parvati ma'am might have told कि sir your lecture was very boring one, people do not understand, तो उससे क्या होता, मैं थोड़ा demoralize हो जाता। ठीक है? I might have थोड़ी सी एनर्जी मेरे चैनलाइज कम हो जाती। तो that means the text matters a lot. Either you speak
Sir?
some good words, either, yes ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
I want to interfere a little bit, like,
Yes.
people's elders say that,
Yes.
elders say that, that Big Bang theory itself, it starts with sound. Sound has lot of effect. So sound means it is text only, what we speak.
Sita ji, I couldn't get it. What you want to discuss? Can you please elaborate?
Yes, sir. This text is having lot of effect. You are telling, na? So I am also trying
No.
to tell the same thing.
Okay.
What
But
we
I'm going
speak
to
has
discuss
lot of effect on others.
meaning. Yeah. So therefore, Orange has provided us a very good tool for text processing also. Okay? So we are now going to work on text now. You can create your own text, just like I have provided you some image sources also. We have some text sources also. Text क्या होती है? कहानियाँ. We were very fond of small tales, fairy tales when we were kids. आपने कभी ना कोई fairy tales पढ़ी होंगी. You might have read a story about Malgudi days. You might have read about पंचतंत्र की कहानियाँ. So we need now text processing. चलिए वापस चलते हैं. Text processing के लिए करना क्या है? You need to have this text mining. Go, Ravina ma'am, आपको options में जाकर you have to go on add-ons, and when going on add-ons, you have to install one tool called text. There are two. This is text. This is textable. Please don't install textable. ठीक है? Ravina ma'am, can you acknowledge me?
Okay, sir.
Just one
Sir,
second.
yeah, your voice is audible, sir.
No, I'm acknowledging that you have to install this text widget. Okay, text one, not textable. Clear?
Some of the participant is answering, I think. Yeah.
Okay. ठीक है. Please unmute yourself. I don't have a habit to read chat box. I like interaction with you every time. ठीक है? तो चलिए वापस चलते हैं. So what we have to do now, go on to this tool called text mining. Click on corpus now. Can you see here, Srinath ji? Just see here. This corpus is another database.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Okay. Srinath ji, just see here. When I click on corpus, it will initialize it. It initializes in a single second of time. This corpus has some database which is inbuilt on the sub server. Okay. Click on corpus. We are selecting this tab, Grim Tales Selector tab. We have selected one text file now. Okay. We need to now install the text add-on. We have already installed it. First, we need to add this corpus widget. Okay. Then we have selected one tab called Grim Tales Selector. Grim Tales is a file which contains some short stories. Okay. Some short stories of magic, some short stories of animals. Okay. So just see here, go on to click on corpus widget, sorry, go on to click on this. Clicking on corpus will provide you this. What you can you see here 44? Akash ji, sorry, Manoj ji, can you see here 44? This
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
44 are the 44 stories in this in this tab. Okay, there are 44 stories now. Okay, we are going to do the text mining now. अब हम text mining करने जा रहे हैं. करना क्या है? Connect this corpus to the another widget called corpus viewer. Corpus viewer. When you click on corpus viewer, see here a tale about boy who went to learn what fear was, brief rose, cat and mouse in partnership. ठीक है? Hansel and Gretel, hero curves. Can you see here? There are 44 stories. My dear friends, is it possible to see here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there are 44 stories, and this full story is being shown here. Okay. Okay. I'm just going to end this thing. Come back again. We have connect the corpus viewer to the corpus, and when we connect this corpus viewer, you can type any word king here. When you type the word king here, it will show that king at the different space in this widget itself. You can type here king corpus. You can type king here, KNG king. Okay. Now I can move the screen upward. KING. Okay. Can I click on corpus view? Let me once again. I think something wrong is being done now. Connect corpus to corpus view. Okay, come back again. We have connected the corpus to the corpus view, and we have typed king here. Wherever the king is visible, it will be highlighted one. Okay. So the next thing is we need to connect the widget called word cloud here. Word cloud will tell all the words which are words क्या हो सकते हैं. There are a number of words like king, queen, once, upon, time, resign, country, the, could, would. These are words now. Okay. The next thing is here we have to connect corpus with the corpus viewer. We have to connect corpus with the word cloud here. Let's do something again here. We have to connect corpus with a word cloud. And we connect. See here, this is a word cloud here. Okay. Can you see here? This word cloud is visible.
Yes, yes.
See here the word. The
Yes,
more is the frequency of that word, उतना उसका इतना size होगा. The is a very common word. Do is a very common word. And is a very common word. तो ये इतनी बार ये word आ रहा है. ठीक है. The जितना वर्ड का साइज छोटा होता जाएगा, जितना वर्ड की फ्रीक्वेंसी कम होती जाएगी उतना उसका साइज छोटा होता जाएगा. ओके. Word, the, was, said, these are main very dominant words. So the next thing is we have to do pre-processing of the text. See, many of the words are irrelevant to us. So what next we have to do? We have to do pre-processing of the text. Pre-processing के लिए क्या करना है? We have to connect the corpus with the pre-processing. And when you connect corpus with the pre-processing, see here. When you connect corpus with the pre-processing and connect with the word cloud, just see here. Yeah, देख लीजिए. When you connect corpus with the pre-processing and you create another word cloud, ठीक है? तो just feel the difference between these two. Word cloud. This is word cloud. Previous one. This is new word cloud. See here. क्या हो गया क्या? What happened? Can somebody tell? it has removed a lot of the words. Okay, it has removed many words which were either punctuation marks or could, what, the, should, said. These are words which are irrelevant, but it has now got the words like littles, came, one, king, away, time, wood. Wood is the thought, bird, back, according to this this thing. So what is being done here? It is doing now pre-processing. जो पिछला जो last word cloud था, it was having some punctuation marks also, and now after doing the pre-processing widget क्या करता है? It will convert the text into individual words and omit the punctuation marks. ठीक है? And after pre-processing, the visual looks much better now. Okay, so pre-processing is a very important text in the text mining. Okay, so I have a meeting here, so I'm going to skip the text clustering now. I will give the presentation to Parvati ma'am. So let's have one assignment for you. Parvati ma'am, I'm giving them one assignment, so please do tell them to do this assignment at home. Parvati ma'am, can you hear me? This is a MTech level project. You can have a screenshot here. Anybody please acknowledge me? Can you able to see here? This is a small MTech level project.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Data
sir.
table is connected. Okay, Rehan Khan ji, you can see here. This is a test and this is a comparative analysis of various classifier. Dr. Nishan discussed in the morning, and this is the different types of classifier. This is the assignment for you. Please have a screenshot and just do practice. It will take 15 minutes task to complete this. Just see this, then we will discuss. Rehan ji, can you acknowledge? Have you got the idea what you are going to do? Anybody please acknowledge me?
Is our data set where it will be available?
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे भाई, यही तो डिफिकल्टी है. ठीक है, डेटाबेसेस के लिए यू हैव टू, आपने जो मैं सोच रहा था कि somebody will ask फिर डेटाबेस कहाँ से मिलेगा, तो प्लीज डोंट वरी, go on to Google and just find out 10 images of the normal images of the X-ray and the 10 abnormal images of the X-ray chest. You will get some good number of images. So don't worry. ठीक है, यहाँ पर हमें Google बाबा हेल्प करेंगे. तो go on to Google and just type in X-ray chest normal images. You will download at least 10 images. You can download 10 to 15, and then you find search X-ray abnormal chest images. You can feel the difference between these two by just watching itself. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to do the image classification using orange, and you have to predict the pneumonia. Pneumonia is just COVID-19. COVID-19 में बहुत सारी images होंगी Google के ऊपर. Whenever COVID-19 happen, it disturbs the chest X-ray only. Chest X-ray थोड़ा blurred हो जाता है. Some sort of fibrosis is accumulated, and you will get not a clear vision of the ribs of our chest. So this is the way to diagnose a normal and abnormal chest. ठीक है? So you have to load the images and you have to classify into save कर लेना images को. ठीक है? You have to load the images, type of the images. You have to classify into normal and abnormal one. You have to create the some workflow बनाना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद आपको prediction करनी पड़ेगी, उसकी cross validation करनी पड़ेगी. ठीक है? Okay. I hope picture clear हुई है. आपको फिर prediction करनी पड़ेगी. And this is another thing, you can have a screenshot for you. Okay. This is this thing is I missed already. KNN classifier, that how you can work on the KNN classifier. For KNN classifier, you have to collect the file to the data table and then file to the KNN classifier. The KNN will ask the number of the neighborhood. Okay, just enter the value 5, 4, 3, depending upon your algorithm. The data table is your data table. We are just showing the heart disease for the just for the analysis purpose only. And this KNN will be connected with the predictions, and then the linear prediction will do the visualizing for you. We can have it. We can do here. Let's close this. I'm going to demonstrate KNN classifier just in a small minute. File, data table, connect file with data table, connect file with KNN classifier. I hope this is the wrong one. Okay, I have to enter the number of neighbors now. Okay, it was asking for the number of the neighbors, so I have added the number of neighbors. And then we have to connect the file with the predictions. File with the predictions. We connected KNN with the predictions. We connected the prediction with the linear predictions. Okay, this is the diagram. You can make it later on. File with the data table, file with the KNN classifier, file with the model predictions, and file with the predictions. Okay, just a small practice, you can do it. So this is the thing to do KNN classifier. So this completes my lecture. Now I have to skip something because it was getting a bit of tiresome now. So this is assignment for you. Arunji, this is another data set. You can have its screenshot also. So this is github.com.nixie.orange tree masters orange dataset. The complete data sets are available here. Till from the start of my lecture at 11:30, I was showing you only 3 to 4 data sets, but just go into this URL, you will find a huge number of the databases. Okay, so you can have the more analysis. Arunji, are you there? You were asking in the morning.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Arunji?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
Arunji. Okay, Arunji, this is the data set in the Excel form, and this is the data set in the animal form. In addition, I have provided the data, one other data from the biolabs to Bharati ma'am. She also has shared.
Okay.
And I hope this is something we can take away for your home also. We have discussed so many widgets now. I hope the time was given to me. I have done justice, and I have also done. I asked Bharati ma'am to please spare me before 15 minutes because I started my lecture 15 minutes a bit earlier also. We have discussed the many types of graphs also. We have discussed many widgets like file, menu, file widget, image viewer, image embedding, inception, prediction, KNN classifier, around 20 to 30 widgets which I promised in the morning itself. So this tool is very useful for the faculty members who are going to take classes for machine learning or data mining or image analytics in their future, in the next semester also. Basically, some sort of machine learning also we have discussed here. Image analytics tools we have discussed. Some COVID-19 analysis also discussed. Some heat maps were also plotted. Some assignment is also given for your more practice. And some add-ons you can add on, and you can explore if you are working in this spectroscopy or in this networking or in geo and time domain. And thanks for listening. And I have been disturbing many of you people during the course of my lecture. So if somebody has got hurted or had got disturbed, I'm sorry, because this is my way of pedagogy by interacting with the participant, and then only the lecture can be more justified and fruitful one. So that's from my side. Anything you can ask now also. Bharati ma'am, this is from my side, and anybody from the participant?
Yes,
We
yes,
enjoyed
that's
both
wonderful
sessions.
session. Yes.
Yes, somebody was speaking.
One of the
Yes,
We
ma'am.
enjoyed
Somebody was
both the
speaking.
sessions. Really
Okay, thank you.
awesome.
Actually,
Thank you, sir.
you might have, Parvati ma'am, when I was conducting FDP, so you might remember I spoke one dialogue at the start of my lecture. Whenever you go to a movie or a theater, you go for 3 things. They are entertainment, entertainment, and entertainment. And this lecture,
Correct,
this
sir.
FTPs are also for entertainment. Though these are technical entertainment, but people should come and enjoy. They should not go with a heavy mind कि कुछ यार
Correct, sir.
बड़ा
Correct, sir.
बोझ बड़ा पंजाबी में कहते हैं बड़ा बोझ लेके जा रहे हैं, वो नहीं होना चाहिए. You must come. चलिए, I can understand out of 3 hours we get distracted also. We कुछ चीजें समझ आती है, लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत समझ आ जाए हमें, that is sufficient one, because we all are teachers, and if we get some good idea of those things happening every day, so we can definitely work and ponder on later on. So I also started with one toolbox, and now I have quite able to do 3 to 4 toolboxes. And hopefully, in coming days, you people also will become very good expert.
Yes, sir. Very wonderful session. If participants, every participant, I think, enjoyed the sessions, and with your energetic voice as well as activeness, parallelly, our participants also have joined in doing things along with you. It's very wonderful to see the session, sir. Really, thank you for
Okay.
such sessions. Yeah. Any questions from the participants related to the two sessions? Almost
Definitely ask
everything is
anything
clear.
I will
almost.
try it. I will provide the link also to, because I hope Sharma ji was not able to install. I will provide you the link in the evening, ma'am, so that you can practice. Please install it at your homes, and it is not a very difficult tool. And try to do that assignment and modify the algorithm. Venkat Prasad, algorithm modification involved with choosing the right features which depend upon your methodology you have adopted, choosing the right features, choosing the right classifier. जैसे KNN classifier की बात करते हैं, sometimes the value of k is 6, but that doesn't fit to your model, so you have to change the value of k to 3. And if you're using test and score widget, sometimes you have to enter the 10-fold cross validation. You are not getting the 10-fold cross validation. You have to apply 5 cross validation. So it's a bit of an empirical sort of analysis we are doing. So it is sort of experiments करना पड़ता है हमें algorithm में उसके value को fine tune करके. Either you change the parameters of your corresponding algorithm or the feature extraction which you have done previously, because this tool is for the optimization only. ये tool आपके initial steps नहीं करेगा. There is a fourth objective in our thesis that we go for optimization of the data, and optimization के लिए ये tool is a very handy one. I hope
Amit
your
sir,
answer is
am I audible?
yes, sir. Yeah. बोलिए sir.
Yeah, sir, can we extract some equations or something from the Orange tool that I can use in microcontroller or microprocessor to have a real-time prediction after that?
There is a tool called time series in this widget. May I know your name, sir?
Manoj Sharma.
May I know
Dr.
your
Manoj Sharma.
अच्छा शर्मा जी, यहाँ पर एक टूल है. एक्चुअली मैं VLSI में एक्सपर्ट नहीं हूँ, तो that time series domain, there are number of tools available, so you have to find out which tool is useful for your domain. There is a tool called time series domain. I think that is a mathematical one, and I have not explored that tool. I have discussed only image analytics or text mining. There are around 15 toolboxes, and depending upon your area, I hope real-time tool है, time series tool. It will definitely help you.
हाँ सर, मैं क्या चाहता हूँ कि something can be extracted from the Orange, and that I can put on some microcontroller or microprocessor, and then I can have some hardware solution which can give the real-time prediction that I am able to view on the database on which is stored on my laptop. So such kind of data if I have, then using that prediction I can have something.
Sharma, prediction is possible,
Yes,
but
sir,
I don't have an idea. Yeah.
Please.
Yes, ma'am, you can answer. No, actually, I don't have idea about microcontroller and microprocessor. Then answering it will be a bit vague one. Okay. You can answer, ma'am, if you have microcontroller and microprocessor, not in my domain area.
Predictions, we require a huge data set. The data set, yes, sir, for applying the algorithms predicting, we need some data set. The data set can be available only by after doing certain operations, like in order to get some response from the device, like that. So, am I audible?
Yes.
So data can be used as a data set.
Yes,
you use FPGA device or whether you use a microcontroller, getting the power analysis or getting the voltage analysis, that can be used as data set to the model, definitely. But the data set should be in enough in the sense at least more than 100. What do I say? In order to have good model, have more than 100 lines of data.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Thank you.
Sharma ji,
Thank
I'm
you.
sorry. This was not my domain expertise, so I was not able to answer your query. But definitely prediction can be done here. But combining with the hardware and the usage of the microcontrollers, I don't have that domain expertise because my working area is image processing and text mining and machine learning.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you.
So somebody was as okay. So please try to do that assignment today and send the snapshot of workflow. It will take 30 minutes for you people because you are a beginner now, and try to get around 80 to 90% accuracy by using some proper classifier and some tool. Takes 20 images and then find out which
One
classifier is
question in the
useful for you.
chat. Yeah, one
Yes,
question
ma'am.
in the chat from Rehan Khan. So, could you
Yes.
please throw some light on Gate tool? Gate tool and its tutorials if worked on.
Gate tool. Is it something connected to this orange? Rehanji, I'm couldn't get your question. General architecture for text engineering. I couldn't get your question. Gate tool. Gate is that gate exam for MTech people, huh?
I hope so, sir. Gate tool and its tutorials have worked on. I think so. I mean, Rehan Khan, you can unmute your mic and you can ask the question directly so that we can explore a little bit more on that.
I couldn't get the question.
General architecture
Gate.
for text engineering made, yeah, by universities.
Rehanji,
Machines,
Rehanji, I
yeah.
couldn't get your question. Yeah, please. Actually, I'm not a trainer for
Sir,
Gate.
in the chat, he expanded what is Gate general architecture for
Okay.
text
Let me
engineering.
see here. Okay. Let's see. So could you please throw some light on Gate tools and tutorial? No, Rehanji, Gate tutorial नहीं पढ़ा. You can use Raspberry Pi. So ये Rehanji को example. नहीं, Rehanji, I have not used this Gate. As a general architect for text engineering by University of Sheffield. Definitely, I will try to explore it, but frankly speaking, I have not studied this. Rehanji, I'm sorry, I have not studied this thing. I got it. It might be some tools for this architecture, but again, architecture is something different domain. So we are computers savvy people. So this might be another area of domain. Okay, thank you very much. I have seen the chat box is full of so many chats and many are acknowledging me, and thanks to Parvati ma'am and the team members for inviting me. I hope I have done some justice to you and you people might have enjoyed this lecture, and definitely you will love to explore Orange in your teaching domain, because this is the ultimate advantage which I want from you people, that try to teach this topics to your students also, so that ultimately when they will get benefited, their employability will increase. They will get some good jobs in the public domain or private sectors, because machine learning, this blockchain, augmented reality, virtual reality, these are now the very hot topics and are very emerging areas nowadays. So AICT is spending a lot of money in providing training to all of us. And I will never call myself as an expert. I also keep on learning these things. And please you also try to learn whatever you get from this such sort of FDPs, and then try to impart these things to your peers and your students. So thank you, Parvati ma'am.
Yeah.
I hope.
1 second, sir. All the participants, please unmute your videos, please, so that we will have a pic with sir.
Okay.
Everybody.
This thing we also used to do. We want this is a group photo of the future.
Thank
you, Aranji. You have done a good interaction with me.
Unmute me.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Videos of participants, please. Especially I use with a lot of energy, continuously have taken to.
Yeah.
And actually, to all the participants, I should say that I impressed with one I have attended, which we are working on.
Yes. Parvati, I also organized one FDP last year, and Parvati ma'am was a very serious attendant at that time, serious participant. She scored around 90 marks in her test also at that time. So from till that time, our bonding has been continued.
Very positive.
Is it fine, ma'am? Can I leave?
And
Parvati ma'am, thank you very much. Anything else?
the
The voice is not clear.
rest of the participants.
Parvati ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Can I leave, ma'am?
Yeah, am I audible? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Thank you so much, and on behalf of URATH,
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you, all of you. See you once again on some other platform. Thank you. Thank you.
and listening to the